Hello, my name is Oksana, and today we are talking about law and order. It's another class of English. We are having a pause to make the students come. Hello, Matvey, how are you?
Hello, Oksana.
How was your day? Have you been busy?
Yes, of course. I was busy.
Okay. What have you been doing? Have you been reading today?
Sorry,
Have you been reading today?
reading? No, I have not reading. Yes, and I reading. You mean читать? Yes.
Yes.
No, I have not reading. I
haven't been reading.
Yes, I haven't been reading. I only walk and today and as usual.
As usual. Okay. Today we are talking about law and order. So do you think that it is an interesting topic to discuss?
Yes, of course.
Okay. So do you think that there is a lot of crime in your city?
I don't know, of course. In my city, sometimes crimes is happened. Yes.
Crimes happen in my city
yes.
sometimes.
Crimes happen in my city sometimes. I think as in all other city in Russia, of course. But I don't know how much level of crimes.
I don't know what is the level of crimes.
What is the level of crimes? But I read and I heard. Yes, I heard all day about different crimes in the region.
In the region, okay. They always lock your doors and windows when you go out.
Sorry?
Do you always lock your doors and windows when you go out?
Yes, of course.
And do you keep your doors locked when you are home?
Yes, of course. I have a door with special system against кражи-то как? Забыл.
The robbery.
Yes, against the robbery, and I know that one man said me that
One man told me.
told me that only alarm system, yes,
Yes.
can save home or apartment and
From different
real estate.
of burglars, right?
Yes.
Yeah, right. Have you ever been a victim of a crime?
Были жертвой преступления?
Yes, a victim of a crime.
No.
Have you ever been?
Ave Maria, no.
Or you'd best say, thanks God. Thanks God.
Yeah, thanks God.
Okay.
No, I wanted to say слава Деве Марии, вот.
To Maria Virgin.
Yeah, to Maria Virgin.
Okay, Mary, hello, how are you? Do you hear me?
No, Mary don't hear us.
Doesn't hear us.
Doesn't hear us.
I see. Okay, good. So another question to you. Have you ever been a witness to a crime?
Witness.
Свидетель, witness. Have you ever been a witness to a
мне
crime?
слышится weak.
Okay. So here is the handout. Click on it and open the file, and there are all the questions. You can read, and it would be better for you to understand the questions.
Yes.
Hello, Michael. How are you? How was your day?
Hello. I'm fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we are talking about crime, law and crime. Have you ever been a victim of a crime? Have you ever witnessed a crime, Michael?
I think no.
That's very good. So, do you always lock your doors and windows when you go out?
No, only doors.
Only doors.
Yeah.
I understand. Good. So click on the link.
Could you send it
again? Yes. Here you are.
Yeah.
Okay. So Matthew, have you ever served on a jury? Would you like to be on a jury? Why or why not? So in the US or Canada, we've got the court of a jury, right? Суд присяжных, right?
Yes, I understand.
Would you like to be on a jury? Why and why not?
No, and I can explain why.
Yes.
Because it is very big
responsibility.
Yes, ответственность, да? Responsibility.
Yes. Responsibility.
For me.
I understand. Yes, I understand. Michael, do you agree with Matthew?
To participate in this system. I mean law system. Yes. Court system. If maybe after several years, yes, but not now. No.
Not now. What about you, Michael? Do you agree with Matthew?
Okay.
Being in a jury is a huge responsibility for a person and very big stress.
No, maybe I don't know. I think it's if maybe lawyer or court do their work, yeah, they need to read to use laws and don't think about, just read and make make some как решение
Decision.
decision, yeah.
Yes, okay.
And it's not very maybe hard, yes, but for me it's not interesting because
Okay.
maybe it's not interesting to see this person or people which sitting in this suit court, yeah,
Court.
court.
I understand. Yes, you're right.
I
Have
have
you
no
ever...
interest. Maybe if they make some how to say crime or don't make maybe if it's if they don't make but somebody try to put it to prison, it's not very good, yeah, but it's like not my business, yeah.
Yes, you're right. So Matthew, have you ever received a ticket for speeding? Do you drive a car? Do you have a driving license?
No, I haven't driven a license. I only planning. Yes.
You plan to do so.
I'm planning, yes, to get driver license in this year, summertime.
Okay, I understand. Michael, what about you? Do you drive? Do you have a driving license? Have you ever paid a fine?
No. I prefer to walk by foot.
On foot. Okay.
On foot, yeah.
Okay. Have you ever had to ask a lawyer for advice? Matthew? Michael?
Where?
Lawyer?
Yeah, but I have some of some of these activities when I prepare some papers. It's like a business question, some maybe agreement or something like that.
So, is the advice of a lawyer important nowadays? Do we really need it? Mary, can you hear us? Mary is not with us, so we hope that she'll join later, maybe. Okay, Matthew, what about you? Do you think that lawyers' advice is very important nowadays?
Yes, but I hadn't get lawyer advice.
Hadn't got.
In the past, yes, and I hope that it will need. Не будет нужно, да?
I will not need it.
Will not need. Yes, will not need it in my future. I hope. But in my work, I sometimes I read different articles about law. I mean about agreement system in Russia because it
is necessary. It is
necessary. Yes, it is necessary for me. Yes, but of course I use only how to say, electronic law. I mean sites, yes, when I can choose
Yes.
useful
Information.
articles, yes, text about my problem, yes, and so on. I mean, I use only informational systems, yes, and I use in my work computer. I have special how to say
Program.
special program, yes.
Special software. Okay.
Yes, special soft, yes. Special soft about law.
So that's great. Yes. So what can a person do in Russia if he or she cannot afford to hire a lawyer? Is it good to use this software?
Could you repeat, please?
So what can a person do in Russia if he or she cannot afford to hire a lawyer?
Afford, what is afford? How to translate?
Себе.
I know that we have Russia has a special law about getting lawyer. Можно так сказать, предоставление, да?
Yes.
Giving lawyer for people who can who have rights for it. I mean, yes. I mean, we have special law when in articles of this law lists. Yes, можно сказать, перечислены lists.
Yes, listed.
Listed person who can use it. I mean, it is former different veterans, former army officers, yes, which воевали, так сказать.
Yes.
How to translate воевали?
Yes. Were fighting.
Fighting, yes. And something else. And all invalids, да?
Disabilities, disabled people.
Disabled people. Disabled people. And several another persons. Yes. And all of another people, yes.
All the other people.
All the other people must pay for law services.
Services,
yes. Services, sorry.
Yes. Okay. So, do you think that
how to translate? And я в том числе, так сказать.
Including me.
Including me, yes, because I only work in organization.
Okay. Good of you. Thank you. Well done. So, do you think that criminals should be required to serve their whole sentences? Or do you think that they should be allowed out of prison early for good behavior? Michael?
Could you repeat, because I don't understand it?
Yes. Can you open the handout, please?
Okay, I have it.
Question number 12. Do you think criminals should be required to serve their whole sentences? Or do you think that they should be allowed out of prison early for good behavior?
Okay, required, should be required.
Необходимо.
To serve the whole sentence.
Sentence. Приговор.
To serve,
Служить.
обслуживать.
No, to be in prison all the time, that they should. Or is it possible for them to go from prison to go out, to be let out of prison earlier for the good behavior?
Sentences or do things they should be allowed out of prison for good behavior. No, I think it depends on situation. Maybe which crime they do. They do, yeah, and I think no in general, yeah, because it's like a strange situation when when you put this person to the prison and after that you try to think they change, they have changes and you need to как освободить to make it free, yeah.
To make them free?
Not close with the logic. Yeah.
With logic, yes, I understand. So Matthew, do you agree with Michael?
Generally, I agree, but I am not lawyer, of course. But I know that Russian Federation has law, опять же, law, значит, which.
Сейчас слышно, кстати.
Ой, что такое?
Сейчас. Одну секунду. Может быть, там есть другой микрофон, это что-то шипит чуть-чуть.
Нет, это тот же микрофон. Просто какие-то настройки. Я точно с ними ничего не знаю. Linux.
Потом посмотрите, Маша, в архиве. Окей. Okay,
Matthew, go on, please.
Yes, and I know that we have one terms, yes, term, term, yes?
Term, yes.
Term, yes, which call условно-досрочное освобождение, я не знаю how to translate.
Yes.
Which people who made a crime in jail,
who committed crime.
Who committed crime in jail
can be allowed out of prison early.
Early, yes.
Maybe for good behavior, right?
Yes, including good behavior, and I don't know what else, but I know that it is.
Yes, thank you. Well done. Good of you. So, what is the purpose of jails and prisons? Are they to deter crime or rehabilitate criminals? Is it possible to change criminals, and is it possible to make them ordinary human beings or not? Matthew?
What is the purpose?
Of jails and prisons.
No. What is the purpose?
Purpose, aim, goal, target.
Okay, and jails and prison, and they to deter crime.
Deter, yes. To exclude. To lead to a minimum.
Yes, I understand. Yes, maybe, because in our planet, yes, we have countries which not victory, yes, не победили, not victory.
No,
it is different word.
Yes.
А как полное предложение? Что дальше после не победили?
Won the war, or what do you say?
Maybe win.
I mean, страны не победили. I wanted to say.
А дальше что не победили?
Didn't get the
Дальше не
victory.
победили преступность. Страны не победили преступность.
Didn't overcome. Didn't overcome.
Yes, countries didn't overcome a crime.
Mhm.
Yes, but they
Managed.
they was
Mm-mm.
no, they were able. Yes,
Yes.
yes, they were able
To minimize it.
minimize it. Yes.
Okay. Good of you. Mary, hello. How are you? Do you hear me?
Yes, but
Yes.
I don't know. You hear me?
Yes,
Now
we
it's
do.
okay.
No,
Yes.
it is very good.
So,
Today we are going to talk about crime and punishment, law and order. So
yes,
do you
I
think that
understand.
the violence shown on TV and movies today increases the amount of violent crime in our society?
About law, it's a very difficult question because I meet with this very often. Sometimes when my friends have maybe some problem, I try to help them. I have very good lawyer, so I very often
Refer to him.
prepare to him. Yes. So sometimes in our country we can столкнуться, we
Come
can meet, come
across
across with maybe some problem with law
problems.
problems.
Yes, you're right. Yes.
About criminal situation, I try avoid this. I try not go on the street when in the night and the evening. So I sometimes I see news, maybe local news, and I see what happened in the street, and I think we have terrible situation now with crime, and it's very hard, very dangerous for us.
Yes, I agree. So, what do you think about violence shown on TV and movies that are on TV today? Do they increase the amount of violent crime in our society or not?
Maybe, but in the movie, good win evil. Yes or not?
Yes.
Very often, but sometimes people try. I don't know how to say. Sometimes people copy only evil side movie. So and I saw some program about serial maniac. Yes, serial. Which copy one movie and kill many women.
Women.
In Russian. So sometimes it's dangerous because maybe some person has not very good psychology.
Psychologists. Yes. Okay. Matthew, do you agree with Mary? What's your point of view?
About
violence.
crime in TV, yes. On
violence.
TV.
Violence on TV.
Violence on TV.
Mm-hmm.
It depends on kinds of violence. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if it interesting movie which has violence. I mean, Italian, not old, Italian movies, Italian serials, yes, several our Russian serials. I am not against these movies, but if you mean different, maybe different in information, yes, like in special crime news, yes. Maybe yes.
Okay.
But I don't believe in it because crime movies watched not all people.
Not all the people watch.
Not all the people watch crime movies. Criminal movies. Yes, movies, and not all the people watch crime news and so on.
Yes, okay, thank you. Michael, do you know the difference between criminal law and civil law? Can you give an example?
Criminal and civil.
Who can help? Who knows?
If it's some murder, it's a criminal. Yeah, but if it's maybe if it's как дело, if it's deal, or how to say, right? Deal about family question, maybe about to расторгнуть, disturb, or no, не disturb, вторжение брака.
Invasion, yes, вторжение.
Не, расторжение.
Расторжение, okay.
Divorce.
Separation, divorce.
Divorce, yeah. Maybe it's a divorce question. It's civil.
Yes.
I don't know.
You're right. Matthew, do you agree with Michael?
Maybe yes. I don't know what lawyers think about it.
Good. Mary, what about you? Do you know the difference between civil and criminal law?
Yes, it's a very big difference. Like example, civil law, it's law about all people имеют право, have
the right.
Have right for public information, for native resource. Civil law, it's a law about people, what they can do, about medicine, about education. But criminal law, it's criminal codex about punishment.
Yes, I agree
about
with you.
Criminal situation.
Yes, thank you. Matthew, are judges in Russia appointed or selected or elected?
No, they how to say, they pointed, это назначаться, да?
Yes.
They pointed by, they are appointed by president, как это сказать, по представлению.
Yes, go on.
Дальше чуть-чуть скажи.
Go on?
Yes.
По представлению, значит, я не знаю, как это сказать, каких-то судов, судебных комиссий, я не знаю, в общем, которые...
From the proposition of somebody.
Yes, from a preposition of somebody, maybe, yes.
Proposition.
From somebody's offer. Yes, from somebody's offer.
Yes, for somebody's offer, yes, maybe, I don't know.
Proposal.
Yes.
Okay, good. So, Mary, what would you do if you heard someone breaking into your house?
I have right to fight. I have right to defend.
Defend.
Defend my house.
And your house.
All people have right. I know this article, yes, but I can translate. Каждый человек имеет право на жилище, оборонять его. It's I don't remember, maybe 6 or 7 article Constitution of Ukraine.
That's very good that you remember such things and facts.
Yesterday read.
You read about it yesterday. That's very good. Good. So, Matthew, what can we do to make our cities safer?
Sorry?
What can we do to make our cities safer?
I don't know. Maybe I can participate in special public, как это, народные дружины.
Security.
Security. Yes.
Yeah, public security. But I как это быть уверенным-то I do.
To be confident.
Yet I don't.
I'm not confident.
I'm not
sure about.
No, I'm not sure about this maybe I don't know. Institution есть, как это сказать, по-русски-то я даже не знаю. Ну о возможности, об этой организации, грубо говоря.
I understand. Thank you. Good of you.
Organization.
Public organization. Yes, you're right.
Public organization.
Mary, what do you think about it? Do you agree with Matthew? Do you think that these measures would help to make our cities safer?
No, I'm not sure.
So what would work better? What's your idea?
I think people must do their responsibility and do their business. And when people more pay attention for something and it's interesting for people, they don't do crime. So sometimes public group, public organization not very effective.
Are not very effective. Are not very.
Yes. Maybe better exit. Yes, выход.
Maybe it is better to.
Лучший выход — это вовлечение людей в их собственные дела, чем создание.
The best way out is to invite the people.
The best way in English, it's better to say the best way to do something.
Yes, the best way to do something. You're right.
The best way, then people do their own business, then do some organization
for people to do their own business.
Yes, they create some organization, something like that. Not very effective. Not very effective organization.
I understand. Okay, Michael, do you agree with Mary?
I forgot the question, but in general, yeah, I agree.
I understand. Good. Thank you. Here we've got the vocabulary page 4. Excuse me. So what is crime? Matthew, can you give the explanation of this word? Your own, or read the one that we've got in the handout?
Crime.
Yes, what
crime is serious offense against
the law.
Offense against the law. Serious law breaking.
Yes, do you know this word?
Yes, of course.
Good. Mary, another word. Victim?
A victim is a person who has been hurt or suffered from a crime, suffer
Accident or war.
from a crime, accident, war, etc.
Mm-hmm. What is the witness? Matthew?
A person who has seen an event and is able to describe it.
Yes. Okay. The next word, Mary?
Jury.
Jury.
A group of people chosen to make a discussion in a court of law.
Of law. Okay. Fine. Michael?
Fine, and it's money paid as a punishment for breaking the law. Штраф.
Yes, штраф. You're right. Next one, Mary?
A traffic
violation.
Traffic violation, breaking a law related to driving.
You're right, Matthew. Next one. Capital
Fine. No, yes, capital punishment. Death, penalty, punishment of death.
Death penalty, punishment of death. Okay. Next word, Mary.
Criminal, person who commits a crime or break a serious law.
Person who commits a crime or breaks
a crime or breaks a serious law.
Okay. Next word, Michael.
Sentence. Punishment given to a criminal by a judge. And sentence to say what the punishment is.
Sentence.
Verdict.
Вердикт. Решение суда надо, да?
Приговор.
Приговор, yes.
Okay. Next one, debtor, Mary.
Debtor, try to prevent something from happening.
Yes. Do you understand this word?
No. I understand after after definition, but I can't translate it in Russian.
Who can translate it? Matthew, can you translate it?
Пытаться предотвращать, да?
Предотвращать.
Что-то.
Yes.
Что-то, да, случившееся.
You're right.
До того, как это...
Удерживать, отговаривать, предотвращать. Yes, you may say so. You're right. Good. Next word, Matthew, you're welcome.
Rehabilitate.
Yes.
Bring back to good condition or better situation.
We've got the same one in Russian, right?
Да, yes.
Реабилитировать кого-то. Well, next one, Mary.
Charge with a crime. Official state that a person has broken the law.
Yes. Okay. Good. Next one, Michael.
Bail. Money that is demanded by the court, paid by a person who has been charged with a crime.
Yes.
As a security that the person will return for his or her trial.
Do you understand this word?
Okay.
Yes. You're right. Next one, Matthew. Civil law.
Civil law, yes. Law dealing with the private rights of citizens, not with crime.
Okay. Next one, Mary.
To make a legal claim against, take to court and ask for
compensation
for damage or damages or suffering.
What is to sue?
Подать иск.
Yes, you're right. Good, thank you. What is judge, Matthew?
Judge is the person in charge of a court of law.
Yes, thank you. You're right. Michael, custody.
custody, guardian, imprisonment.
Yes. Do you understand this word?
I need to have a translation.
Yes.
Заключение.
Custody.
Заключение. Заточение. Yes.
And guardian, in which meaning?
Под стражей. Guarding imprisonment. Yes. Good. Take into custody. Mary?
Take into custody, seized by the police, arrest.
Police.
Police.
Okay.
How to say, right?
I didn't hear you, Michael. What did you say?
Seize or size, how to say right this word?
Seize by police, arrest. Seize by police. Okay, next word, try. Mary?
Try examine information in a court or law and make a discussion.
Court of law, okay. Next word, trial. Matthew?
Trial, whole process of examining information in a court of law and making a decision.
And do you know the translation? What is the translation of this word?
Yes.
Судебный процесс.
Судебный процесс, yes.
Trial. Good. Matthew, what words have you remembered from this list? Are there any words that you do not know? Are there some unfamiliar ones?
Yes, like witness, traffic violation, capital punishment, and other like sentence I knew. Deter, rehabilitate, and several words too. I don't know.
Okay.
I didn't know.
You didn't know. Deter. Yes, you're right. The pronunciation is deter. Good. And Mary, what about you? What new vocabulary have you learned today?
Deter. Yes, deter.
Yes. Okay. I'm going to give you the transcription. Trial. Okay.
How to translate deter?
Предотвращать. Trial, слушание. Yes?
Trial. Okay. Good. Good. And Michael, what about you? What new vocabulary have you learned from this list?
A lot of words.
Many unknown words to you today?
Yeah. Witness. Maybe capital punishment. And maybe a sentence.
In fact, many of them, right?
Huh?
Many of them.
Yeah. Is it another word, sentence? How to write sentence in?
A sentence, yes, the same word but another meaning.
And we write this word.
Word.
Like in this document, yeah? Sentence.
Yes, you're right. Let's try to practice the active vocabulary. Exercise C, fill in the blanks. Choose the correct word or expression from the list on the previous page to complete the following sentences. Number 1, Mary, you're welcome.
Frank has a perfect driving record. He has never had a traffic violation.
Traffic violation, okay. Good, thank you. Matthew, number 2.
You saw the accident, so you may have to go to court as a witness. Yes.
Witness. Okay. Good. Next. Michael. That told the jurors to take their time making a decision.
Told the jurors to take the time making the decisions. Okay, maybe. Maybe. It's a judge.
The judge or the court.
The judge told the jurors to take their time
making a decision. Yes, you're right. Good. Can be. Mary, number 4.
The robber told his to empty his pockets and give him all his money. I don't know. His
Жертва.
Oh, victim.
Yes, told his victim to empty his
pockets. Told his
and give
victim. Yes, I understand.
Good. Number 5, Matthew.
Number 5. The thief received 10 years.
Приговор.
10 years sentence for his crime.
Yes, you're right. Thank you. Well done. Michael, number 6.
Mary had to pay $100.
Штраф.
Okay, штраф, fine.
Fine.
Fine for driving through the red light.
Yes, you're right. Good. Number 7, Matthew.
His crime was not very serious, so the judge sentenced him to only 3 weeks in jail.
Good. Well done. Thank you. Number 8, Mary.
If he can't pay the $15,000, fine, yes.
Bail.
Oh, okay. Bail. He will have to remain in jail until his trial.
Trial. Good. Michael, number 9.
Last year, Robbie drove his father's car after getting drunk at a party. As a punishment, his father wouldn't allow him to drive the car for 2 months. His father hopes that punishment will Robbie from drinking.
Deter. Yes. Deter.
Will deter Robbie from drinking and driving in the future.
Yes, you're right. Good. Number 10, Mary.
Many countries have decided to end punishment.
Capital punishment.
Instead, they sentence their very dangerous criminal to life in prison.
Good. Capital punishment, right? Next, 11, jury. Yes. It only took the Matthew.
It only took the
jury.
They only took the jury 5 hours to decide that the man was guilty.
Was guilty,
yes.
Okay. Thank you. Number 12.
Okay, it's for me?
For you, Michael? The police?
Okay, the police are going to him with the robbery. To
To charge.
To him with robbery. Robbery, what is it?
Ограбление. Yes. They found the stolen money in his apartment. Robbery. Good.
And the police are going to what?
Charge.
Charge. To charge him with robbery. Обвинять. To charge is обвинять.
With the crime.
Okay. Good, thank you. And now I'd like you to make a sentence with the most difficult word that you learned today. Good. Matthew, you're welcome. What was the most difficult verb or word for you to remember today?
Maybe traffic violation, capital punishment. I don't know.
Yes. Try to make sentence.
Try to make sentence. Use the word in the sentence.
I should use the word, yes?
Yes.
Okay. For he killed 10 women and get capital punishment for sentence of judge, yes?
As a sentence from the judge.
From the judge, yes.
Okay. So Matthew, what do you think about capital punishment? So is it really a good practice, or should our societies try to just eliminate this element of punishment?
No, Russia has мораторий, мораторий-то как сказать?
Запрет.
Запрет.
Нет, это не запрет, это именно...
Ban, yes.
Maybe banned, yes. Had ban against capital punishment, and I think we must.
We have to.
We have to. Yes, we have to forbid it. Yes.
In the whole world, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay, Mary, what do you think? Do you agree with Matthew?
It's a very difficult question. At first, everyone has right for life. Yes.
Yes.
But like example, we have one when we was SSR. Yes.
When we were USSR.
When we were USSR, we have one Chikatilo.
Yes.
And many people
were killed by him.
had capital punishment вместо него
instead
of him. Many not невинный, not guilty person. But sometimes when I see a very bad person who kill some very much people, and I understand that maybe the better way it's capital punishment sometimes.
Yes, capital punishment. I've got your idea. Thank you, Michael. What do you think about this question? Do you support Mary?
Yes. If it's a clear situation, we need to use it. But
so everything depends on situation, right?
What?
Everything depends on situation.
Yes. Yes. If it's a real, maybe somebody crazy person or something like that, I think it's not. We haven't maybe to take it in the prison. in a prison.
Into the
Because
prison.
it's not help.
It won't help.
It
Won't help. It won't help. It will not help. It won't work.
It will not help. Yeah.
Okay. Good. Thank you.
How to say юрисдикция невиновности?
Юрисдикция.
Да.
Презумпция. И что?
Да, перепутала. Вы не виноваты, пока не доказана ваша вина.
You are not guilty until your crime is proved.
Yes.
Your crime is proved. Okay. Good. So today, I suppose that we'll learn some active vocabulary, and at home you'll try to learn them better, and you'll refresh the vocabulary in your memory. Thank you for today's class. Thank you for discussion, and see you next time. Bye for now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.